Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to see your ear on TikTok. This is also known as the TikTok ear in review. As always, make sure your TikTok app has been updated to the latest version. If not, then update it through the App Store on your iPhone or Android. Now let's open up the TikTok app, and on the front page at the top left of the screen, you'll notice a new icon which says Ear on TikTok. Tap on it. Now on the next page, you'll see all these videos that have gone viral so far. To get your own video reviews, you need to tap on Get Started, which is at the top of the page. Now TikTok will start to load and create a video report for you. It will load some video stats and you'll need to keep swiping up. Once you reach the bottom, it'll present you with a video report. You can share that video report outside of TikTok, or you can post it on TikTok. Once you post it on TikTok, your profile image will have the 2021 title on it. And there you go, that is how to see your ear on TikTok. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.